Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook disabled, you should just go to settings like this. We will click settings. After that, in this page, you will go to click apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter here. After that, in this page, you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.